Even if... Billie Jean, can your soulmate control your money even if you don't have any money?
Yeah. They can make you go in debt.
What? I just clicked money.
Why would you do that?
Because you paused after saying yeah.
Sorry, I had to swallow.
Billie Jean,
Yeah?
they can't control your money if you don't have any money.
Huh. I guess I shouldn't believe everything I see on the internet.
Probably not.
So what does your soulmate get to control then?
I'm not sure. Like my face or something? Come on, we gotta get to camp orientation.
Welcome everyone, Camp Bear. Dude, are you okay?
Yeah.
Aw, we got our first crier. What's your name? Jess? Well, it's gonna be okay. Camp is only 1 week, and you can call your family every day, okay? It's been 5 minutes since your mom left. Pull yourself together.
I'm sorry. I can't help it. My soulmate doesn't control my face after all.
They don't? Then what do they control?
They control my emotions.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. I wish they would have let you go in debt.
What did you say?
I said I'd wish they'd let you go take a nap. I'm gonna go over there where I'm not in murder distance.
Hey, I'm Will.
Yes.
I don't know if you heard, but there's actually a kayaking competition going on right now. Would you want to be my partner?
Yeah, that sounds like the most fun thing ever.
Are you sure? Because I'm pretty sure I just heard you gag at the idea.
No, I love kayaking.
Okay, let me guess. You get seasick or something pretty easily, huh?
Yeah, something.
Okay, scratch kayaking and we hang out at the bonfire tonight instead.
That sounds great. I will see you tonight. I'm disgusted with myself. That went horribly. Billie Jean, my soulmate sucks.
Are you being sarcastic right now?
No, them controlling me is the worst thing ever.
Oh, tell me about it. They've been making you act really odd all day.
I know!
Please, not the anger again.
I'm sorry, Billie Jean.
Oh, Jess, it's okay.
Stop being nice to me! I'm a monster!
I'm gonna go over there.
That's a really good idea. You're really smart.
Uh-huh.
You know what? I'm gonna do what you would do in this situation. And you would try and fix things with Will. Thanks, Billie Jean. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Did I hurt you? Are you bleeding?
Did you lose a toe? No, I'm okay. I never had that toe to begin with.
Oh, thank goodness. Sorry again. I'm so clumsy.
Where are you off in a hurry to?
I'm looking for my friend. Well, not really my friend. I only met him a few hours ago, so I don't know if technically I could call him my friend yet, but I'm looking for this guy, Will. Have you seen him?
Will? Yeah, he's my bunkmate.
Really? Oh my gosh, is he near? Did he totally see me body check you?
No, he was actually going fishing down at the lake. I'm Charlie. What's your name? And I can tell him I ran into you.
Jess.
Nice to meet you.
But actually, don't tell him I was looking for him. Because even though I was looking for him, I don't necessarily want him to know that I was looking for him.
Your secret's safe with me.
Thanks.
Good luck.
I will.
Oh, Jess. Hey, what's up?
I wanted to apologize for earlier.
Jess, seriously, don't stress about it. Are you feeling better though?
Yeah. And I also wanted to tell you why I've been acting so weird. You're so cool.
Oh.
But that's not what I wanted to say. I got distracted by your beautiful hair. How do you get it that way?
Gel.
I need to get gel.
I don't think so. Your hair looks nice just the way it is.
Thank you.
Did I say something wrong?
No. You said everything right. But what I have been wanting to tell you this entire time is that my soulmate controls my emotions.
Jess, why would you pick that one? You should have picked bank account like everybody else.
I didn't have any money.
I was just trying to be funny, but you're clearly not in the laughing mood.
Do you still want to sit next to each other at the bonfire tonight?
Jess, I really hope you don't take this the wrong way, but I think it's best if we don't.
Okay, I guess. I'll see you around.
Okay, bye.
Will you please go to the bonfire with me?
No, there could be spiders there.
There could be spiders in here too.
Huh? Why would you say that?
Sorry, I was just saying there could be. Besides, the bonfire isn't gonna be any more scary than staying in here all by yourself tonight.
You're right. You have to stay with me.
I'm not staying.
But I really hope your soulmate changes your emotions soon because this fear is a lot. What now?
I smell rotten eggs. Ugh.
Sorry. It was silent. I didn't know it was going to be so deadly.
Billie Jean, just go to the bonfire and make them smell it.
Why do I always get angry, Jess? Skipping the bonfire too?
I didn't really feel like being around people.
How come? Is everything okay?
No, my soulmate controls my emotions and they made today absolutely impossible to make friends, let alone keep them.
That must be exhausting, having no control over your emotions.
It is.
I'm guessing you probably don't know who your soulmate is then?
Nope. But the second I do, it's lights out.
Oh wow, you really don't like them, do you?
How could I? They've ruined my chances with Will.
To be fair, I really don't think Will's the type of guy you want to be with.
To be fair, you don't really know me.
You're right, but I know Will.
You seem like you know something, Charlie.
What?
Is Will the one controlling me?
No.
You are a very bad liar. You know what? I am gonna go to that bonfire after all. I'm gonna go confront the love of my life.
Hey, wait. I really don't think it's a good idea to go try and confront Will in front of everyone.
Charlie, move or I'll make you move.
Jess, over here. You decided to come after all.
Yeah, I'll be right there. I'm gonna talk to Will first. Hi, Will.
Oh, Jess. Hey. Remember I said we weren't gonna hang out tonight?
Ugh, yeah. I don't know why you said that.
Because you're kind of going through a lot right now.
Spider!
Where?
I don't know, but probably nearby.
Probably we're outside.
Will,
Yeah?
I know you're the one controlling me.
What?
I said I know you're the one controlling me.
Jess, I am not. I actually found my soulmate tonight, and it's not you.
What? Who?
Heather. She's over there. I'd been controlling her bank account all week.
But Charlie said,
Wait, Charlie told you it was me?
I mean, like, kind of, in a weird way, without using those exact words, but using tones that kind of alluded to those words.
Bruh, Jess, I don't know what Charlie said or didn't say or tones he used or didn't use, but I am not your soulmate. You know, maybe Charlie is. He can control his soulmate's emotions.
He can? That's why he was acting funny. I thought this whole time he was covering for you, but really he was just making me look like a bigger fool in front of you because he kept changing my emotions constantly. I need to go find him and make him pay.
Good luck to you and him.
Charlie, it's not Will, is it?
I never said it was Will. You said it was Will.
No, but you were acting funny. You made me look like a complete fool in front of him again.
I'm sorry. I was trying to stop you, so I was hitting every single emotion